Okay, so this is going to be my Halloween makeup tutorial, question mark. I made liquid latex prosthetics for his face because he has cut mouth, kind of like the Joker, but he's not the Joker. And he literally, in the story, he cuts his eyelids off, but I'm not that dedicated and I don't know how to do something like that. So I'm just gonna make my eyes kind of dark and smoky looking. Funny story about the liquid latex though. It caused this. This right here. My eyebrows, half my eyebrows are gone because I opened the bottle and there was a big bubble and it splashed in my face and it took off part of my eyebrow right here. I've never had that happen before. Honestly, it should have been easy to get out, but apparently this time it didn't want to let go of my eyebrow hairs, so it took them off, and so I had to even it out because it looked stupid with having 1.5 eyebrows. I lost my train of thought, so I'm just gonna go into this. His skin is literally like ghost white, but I'm not doing that just because I'm kind of too dark to do that with foundation. If I had body paint, it'd be a different story, but I could not find some affordable, decent body paint that I probably would not be allergic to. Yay for skin issues. Yeah, let's just jump right into this. First I'm gonna prime my face. Sorry. Also, I'm sorry if you guys hear Sing in the background or Ruby. Entertainment, toddler, what do you want? Okay. So, yeah. Yep. Okay, that's my makeup. The hair is literally just black, like I dyed it, and shaggy, like it is. I could put some extensions in and make it look more, I don't know, girly-ish, I guess, but I don't feel like doing that right now. I'll probably do that tomorrow. And even with that, it's gonna be like the old scene looking here's some long extensions, here's my really short hair that's damaged from hair color look. And then of course teased to, okay, this camera's screwing my vision up. I don't know which way is right. But yeah. Also, let me get my knife prop. I'll be right back. Okay, here's my knife. It's not entirely realistic looking, but it's still pretty cool. Okay, that's the end look, I guess. This is a different thing for me to do. It looks way better on camera to me, because this looks white, but it's not. It's just me very, very pale. My teeth look funny. It's scary. Not really. But, yeah. So I downloaded a haphazard video editing thingy. So we'll see how this turns out. Hope y'all liked it. I might put this on my YouTube channel just cause why not? I've always wanted to be a YouTuber. It won't happen. But little fun here and there is alright. Ta-da! I'm Jeff. Go to sleep. Alright. Bye-bye.